I'm going to show you two different ways to remove the background of an image free and easy. One of them is in Windows, and first is by an app in Windows, and second is online. In Windows 10 or 11 there is a free app called Paint 3D. Search for Paint 3D, open the app, click on new, drag the photo to the app, then click on Magic Select, then click on Next. You can add or remove the part you want by draw a line. Now the background is removed. Now you should click on Done. Now you can right click on the selected part and copy it to anywhere you want, Microsoft Word, email, or save. Right click on the image, copy and make a new page, and paste it. Save as and choose the format you want to save your image. This option is for transparency. Save your image as a transparent image. Choose a location to save. Give a name. Use this image anywhere else. Second option is online. Search remove background online. The first website is good. The link is in the description. Upload your image. After a few seconds, you can download your image. Using Paint in PNG, JPEG, or other formats.